What's up friends, welcome back to True Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to check for updates and to update your Mozilla Firefox browser, right? So once you have the application open guys, you want to click on the burger menu on the uppermost right hand side, right? Then from there guys, you want to click on help on the lower right hand side. Then you want to click on about Firefox. And from here, you will see it start to say check for updates as you saw there. And if there's an update, it will do an update for you. Otherwise, it will do a quick check and it will say Firefox is up to date. And that's all there is to it, guys. This way, it will easily check for update and update your Mozilla Firefox once you have a stable and a connected internet connection. And that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple. Now guys, I really hope that you found this tutorial very helpful, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a like and share your comments below. I'd really appreciate that. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Drew Tutorial. I'm Anjo, and I really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button below to help grow this community, and also so that you'll never miss out when I release another helpful tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much and see you next time.